Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center Library Edition. For this project, we are going to deep dive into the pinch twist. Some of you all have expressed during our lives that you're struggling with these just a little bit. So we're going to get nice and tight up with the camera. We're going to show you step by step how to get your pinch twists. I'm going to use white so it hopefully shows up the best against my shirt and the tablecloth. Take your 260 and give it a bit of a stretch. Not a huge one. Okay, fill it up with air about halfway, leaving about, doesn't really matter. This is just practice. This isn't going on a design. This is for you to learn to get this technique, all right? So just enough air so you can play with it. We're gonna bring the camera in right now and we're gonna go real slow through this together. So you're gonna start off just like you're doing your string of pearls. You're gonna make a pearl, spin it off 7 times, and all of these you're gonna spin in the same direction as you do your pearls, okay? So for example, when I first started doing pearls, I decided to spin towards myself. That's the little mantra I say in my brain when I'm doing my pearls: towards me, towards me, towards me, okay? So pick one. It can be away from you, and then your mantra then becomes away from you, away from you. That's okay. Just make sure once you've picked it for life, because it'll make your life easier. All right, so I spin towards me. I'm holding my first bubble. I'm going to, don't mind the dry hands, put this and almost kind of sort of fold it in half, but you're pulling down your neck to twist in with the spun off section. When you do that, when you bring it over, almost tie a knot where you're sticking your neck of your balloon underneath that bar that you've just made and let it go, okay? That way your first pinch twist is solid. It's not gonna go anywhere, okay? Then another pearl. And again, you wanna get and fold it together. If you think of it like a link-a-loon almost, right, with one side being the neck, the other side being the tip, you're almost folding it in half and spinning it together, okay? And there you've got your first 2. Okay, we're gonna do just a little pearl to travel so you can see. A bigger pearl, this is now gonna be our pinch twist, right? 7 times towards me. I'm gonna take and pull it up and spin those 2 spin areas together. Okay, I'm gonna soften your 260. You don't want to be working with a firm 260 ever, really. Okay, so make sure you soften that up. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna spin off the pearl, pull your fingers to fold it in half and spin that around. Okay, so you can see I've got 2 pinch twists, a travel pearl, and 2 pinch twists. I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes, but it's also how you do like the lavender flower. All right, so another small tiny traveling pearl, a bigger to make a big, even let's practice doing a really big pinch twist. Okay, so you have the 2 areas. We're gonna grab and put those 2 spun sections together and spin. Okay, do another bigger one. Pull your 2 together, almost making like a C out of your, and then spin. Okay, and you can see those are bigger now. All right, so that is how to master your pinch twists. It's practice, guys. I know it seems like you're never gonna get it, and then one day when you stop thinking about it quite so much, they're just gonna come. But practice, sit at night, you know, as you're watching your favorite show, and practice, all right? That's how you master the pinch twist. Hope this helped in your journey of ballooning it yourself. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.